In today's video, I'm going to show you how to generate a plagiarism report using Grammarly. Whether you're a student, content creator, or professional writer, checking your work for originality is crucial and Grammarly makes it easy. So let's walk through the process step by step. First, head over to the Grammarly website. Grammarly is an all-in-one writing assistant that not only improves your writing, but also includes a powerful plagiarism checker, which is what we'll focus on today. Once you're on the site, log into your Grammarly account. If you already have one, click Login or I have an account. If you're new to Grammarly, you'll need to sign up to access all the available tools. After logging in, you'll land on the My Grammarly dashboard. Here, you can either choose an existing document or upload new text by clicking on New Document. Paste or type your content directly into the editor. With your document open, locate the Check for AI Text and Plagiarism option. Clicking this will initiate a scan of your text against billions of web sources to detect any potential matches. Depending on how long your content is, this scan may take a moment, so give it a little time. Once the check is complete, Grammarly will display a plagiarism score and highlight any sections of concern. If you need a formal copy of your results, click on the Download PDF Report button. This will generate a detailed plagiarism report that you can save or share. And that's it, a fast and easy way to check your content's originality using Grammarly. Thank you for watching this video.